Hi everyone, this is Mr. No. In this video, we will see one new tourism package that has been introduced by IRCTC recently. So for this, you need to come to this website, irctctourism.com. So if you go here, you will see this banner. So in here, you will see Yamunotri, Gangotri, Kedarnath, Badrinath. So these are Chardham in Uttarakhand. From here, they are offering Chardham and Dodam Yatra. So the traveling mode is by road through Delhi. So the package price starts from 49,000 per person on double occupancy. So for this, if you come here and click on it, it will take you to this tour package. So another interesting functionality that I found in IRCTC Tourism is that they have this functionality of booking IRCTC tours with part payment facility, which is like EMI. You can pay in EMI. So that functionality is also available. So now if I click on this, I can see the Chardham Yatra from Delhi. So it is 11 nights, 12 days. So they will cover all the four dams. These are the departure dates. So we will look into the details of each and every one of it. So you see the Chardham Yatra from Haridwar, Dodam Yatra from Delhi, then Dodam Yatra from Delhi. So the destination is Badrinath, Kedarnath here. The dates are also mentioned. This is again Chardham Yatra. Origin is from Chandigarh. So we will look into different types. So the first one is Chardham Yatra from Delhi, which is 11 nights, 12 days. So if you come here, I have the option of book now, where I can click on book now and book it. So I can see the starting dates. So these are the departure dates. So if I look at it, Dulux is not available because I think it's already sold out. So you see, if I book at 12th June, I can see that it's available. So what are included? Bus is included, hotel is included, meal and insurance, all these things are included. So now if I go here, there are four holy shrines in Uttarakhand dedicated to Hindu gods. That is, four shrines are situated in the Garhwal region. These are the Char Dams. So this is the name of the package. The traveling mode is by road. The group size and departure is date says this 20 passengers are almost there in each departure. So package cost single occupancy 79,000, double occupancy 54,000, triple occupancy 49,000. This is child with extra bed, child without extra bed. So if you look at itinerary of it, so the first day from Delhi Haridwar, reported IRCTC Rail Yatra Nivas building, Ajmeri Gate at 9 a.m. So you can meet and greet the IRCTC representative there. Then proceed for Haridwar by road. En route there will be lunch, which will be on coast. You will arrive in Haridwar. You will check in, dinner and overnight stay at Haridwar. So dinner is included, I guess, here. Then the second day, Haridwar, Barwat. Today after breakfast and check out from hotel, proceed to Barkot. So evening arrival at the Barkot hotel in you will have dinner overnight stay at Barkot. Then on day 3, Barkot, Janki Chatti, Yamunotri, Janki Chatti. Either you will have 40 plus 40 kilometers drive, 6 plus 6 trekking, 9 to 10 hours it will take. Early morning you will drive to Janki Chatti to visit Yamunotri temple. On arrival to Janki Chatti, the base point of Yamunotri, you will book pony and palki services from here. So if you are fit enough, you can do the trekking. You'll arrive on Yamunotri to visit the holy temple of goddess Yamuna. So you'll see the natural hot springs around the temple there. So on day 4, you will go from Barko to Uttarkashi. After breakfast, check out from hotel and proceed to Uttarkashi. On the way, visit Prakateshwar Mahadev temple near Brahmkal. On arrival to Uttarkashi, you check into hotel. In evening, visit Kashi Vishwanath temple. There, you will dinner and overnight stay in Uttarkashi. So on day 5, Uttarkashi, Gangotri, Uttarkashi. So early morning 5 a.m. proceed to visit Gangotri temple. So along with Bhagirathi River, the journey of Gangotri becomes a wonderful journey is what is being told there. So the present temple of Gangotri was built in 18th century by Gurkha commander Amar Singh Thapa. So on day 6, Uttarakashi, Guptakashi. So from here, evening arrival at Guptakashi. So Sitapur transfer to hotel, dinner, overnight stay there, breakfast and dinner is included, I guess. So from there, Guptakashi to Sitapur. This is for Kedarnath. So from there, you can from hotel and proceed to Sonprayag, the reservation counter for booking pony and palki services. From here, you have to, this is on cost for Kedarnath journey. After booking pony and palki, take local shuttle taxi at on cost to reach Gaurikund, which is the base point of Kedarnath. So on day 8, Kedarnath to Gaurikund. So this is visit the Kedarnath temple for puja amongst the 12th Jyotirlinga of Lord Shiva, which is Kedarnath. Then on day 9th, after early morning breakfast, proceed to Badrinath. On this day, we'll visit Narsingh Swami temple at Joshimath. On day 10, Badrinath Birahi route. So early morning 4 a.m. Today, visit the Badrinath temple for Abhishek. The present holy temple of Badrinath was built by Adi Guru Shankaracharya during the 7th century. So from there later on proceed for hotel for overnight stay. On day 11, Birahi Rudraprayag Srinagar Haridwar. So on that day morning, you'll breakfast, you'll leave for Rudraprayag and proceed to Haridwar. On arrival, you have free time for exploration there. On day 12, after breakfast, check out from hotel, drive to Delhi and route lunch. That is again on course. On arrival, drop at IRCTC Rail Yatri Nivas. So these all things are included here. Yamunotri, Gangotri, Badrinath, Kedarnath. So that is the itinerary. So it will take 11 nights and 12 days. So what all are included? Accommodation, AC comfortable tempo traveler for entire tour, breakfast and dinner as per the itinerary, all government applicable taxes including GST, 1 liter bottle per day, which is less, and insurance is included. Package exclusion are these flight tickets to or from Delhi if you are using flight, helicopter, guide charges, personal laundry, additional sightseeing, this Ponki, Palki, all those things there. This is the name of the hotel. They mentioned the hotel name also, which you will be staying in various location. So these are the name of the hotels. So this is a good way to visit all the 4 dams for 49,000 rupees. Now if you want only 2 dams, for example, then you can go and check in this, which again costs around 30,000. This is for Badrinath and Kedarnath. So itinerary also you can see it from there. This is the itinerary for that. That is for Badrinath and Kedarnath. You see here. So I hope this information is useful. Thank you very much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.